ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। ओम सच्चिदानंदरूपाय विश्वोत्पत्त्यादिहेतवे तापत्रयविनाशाय श्रीकृष्णाय वयं नुमः। प्रह्लाद नारद पराशर पुंडरीक व्यासाम्बरीश सुक सौनक भीष्मदाल्भ्यान् रुक्माङ्गदार्जुन वसिष्ठ विभीषणादीन् एतानहं परमभागवतान् नमामि। एतानहं परमभागवतान् नमामि। अथातो भक्तिं व्याख्यास्यामः। सा त्वस्मिन् परमप्रेमरूपा अमृतस्वरूपा च यल्लब्ध्वा पुमान् सिद्धो भवति अमृतो भवति तृप्तो भवति। यल्लब्ध्वा पुमान् सिद्धो भवति अमृतो भवति तृप्तो भवति। यल्लब्ध्वा यल्लब्ध्वा परम प्रेम रूपी भक्ति लब्ध्वा, after gaining that devotion which is of the nature of supreme love, puman purushaha siddha bhavati. This we have to see. Labdhva means we saw how we get labdhva only with satsang and संतों के साथ रहने से भक्ति बढ़ती है, और कोई रास्ता ही नहीं है। When we listen to the glories of Bhagavan, when we listen to the glories of Bhagavan, then alone the bhakti will be taking roots in our anthakarana. You know, you appreciate first, then you love something only when you know the glory of any object, any vastu, any person. Only if you know, first you appreciate, then when you listen to the glories of the person more and more, then you start loving the person, the qualities. Therefore, Lord is extolled, glorified. His glories are sung everywhere. And while listening to the Leelas, sports and glories, both. Leela means sports, divine Leela, and the glories of the Lord, we get immense devotion, love towards the Bhagavan. Now, this is such a bhakti having gained, Puman Siddho Bhavati. Siddho Bhavati, see, it is said, if you go and ask, one more point before Siddho Bhavati, if you go and ask Bhakti, hey Bhagwan, मुझे भक्ति दो, Bhagwan says, it seems I am the beggar of bhakti, how can I give you? देखिए, मैं भक्ति का प्यास, प्रेम के प्यासी हूँ, मैं कहाँ से दूँ आपको? Therefore, वो कहते हैं भक्तों के पास जाओ और वहीं आपको भक्ति मिलेगी। मैं खुद भीख मांग रहा हूँ, मैं कहाँ से दूँ तुमको भक्ति? देखिए, very beautiful. Yesterday we saw that bhakti cannot be sattvic vritti, bhakti cannot be in prakriti at all, bhakti cannot be jiva's efforts. Bhakti is ahladini shakti of Paramatma. That which makes Paramatma happy is bhakti, that ras. And that ras, he wants to enjoy objectively. How can he enjoy? He instills that in his devotees. He fills the hearts of the devotees with devotion, and in that devotion they sung, they pray to God, they offer themselves unto Paramatma, and that love he takes and so feels happy. So therefore, here first is Siddha Bhavati. Siddhi means here extraordinary purity of Anthakarana. There is no other Siddhi, not Ashtasiddhis. Devotee is not at all interested. Siddhi, extraordinary purity of Anthakarana is first Siddhi. Bhakta will get immediately, and to that purity alone, without sadhana, he gets Siddhi. Who? A devotee. A devotee doesn't do any sadhana. He doesn't do Ghatakash, Mathakash. Matha means a matt, room space, pot space. Vivek he will not do. He doesn't do any sadhana. But without sadhana, he gets Siddhi. And without Vivek, Ghatakash, Mathakash, Vivek, Jnana Yoga Marga, he doesn't do. Go and ask him, आप ये विवेक जानते क्या? What did Uddhav try to teach to gopis, is it not? What did gopis say? That हमारा मन ही नहीं है. उद्धव कहते हैं कि आपका मन को भगवान को अर्पण करो. वे कहते हैं हमारे पास मन ही नहीं है, कहाँ से दे? एक ही मन होता है, वो दे चुके हैं कभी भगवान कृष्ण को. अब बड़े बोलने आए हो. It is said he did not go back to Krishna. He was spending time there only with gopis, enjoying their devotion. आपने भागवत एक्सपर्ट्स है आप सब लोग, मैं क्या पढ़ाऊं. He did not return. Therefore, what is that gopis siddhi? Did they do any particular sadhana, yoga abhyas, नाक पकड़ना, पेट घुमाना? कुछ भी नहीं किया. This is siddhi. So therefore, without viveka, because ज्ञान मार्ग के द्वारा जो अमृतत्व की प्राप्ति होती है बहुत साधना करने के बाद. Anyway, I will not go into technical subjects, very deep it is actually. Because अमृतत्व का जो अनुभव होता है सबको आभास चैतन्य से ही उपलब्धि है. ये सब क्योंकि वहाँ पे भोक्ता है. मैं तृप्ति को अनुभव कर रहा हूँ, माने भोक्ता है वहाँ पे. इसलिए भक्त का जो रस जो है, जो भोक्ता है, जो सिद्धि मिलती है, वो तो ऐसी उपलब्धि है विदाउट एनी एफर्ट. सो एंड और एक बात है, किसी भी सिद्धि को दिस डिवोटी doesn't hanker after any siddhis, and these siddhis come to him on their own, and actually they become his servants, he even become, it doesn't become aware of his siddhis. His siddhis means what? Whoever is working around him, he is not even aware. Siddhi means Aishwarya, Antakarna Shuddhi, Aishwarya. It is said that, एक महात्मा बैठे थे कहीं, पीछे से एक दुष्ट व्यक्ति, बड़े भक्त महात्मा है, भगवान का नाम निरंतर लेने वाले हैं, उसी में रमने वाले हैं। एक दुष्ट व्यक्ति पीछे से आया प्रहार करके मारने के लिए, चोट पहुंचाने के लिए। शस्त्र उठाया, हाथ रुक गए आकाश में, तो प्रहार नहीं कर पाया। They could not hit महात्मा। Then somebody told, महात्मा जी पीछे से आके मारने वाले थे, आपने कौन सी सिद्धि प्रकट की? He said, I don't know anything, why should I do all this nonsense? वो भगवान है ना, वो कर लेगा, मुझे पता ही नहीं चलता। तो सिद्धि है भक्त को, सिद्धि है even he himself doesn't know anything, he doesn't want to know, he doesn't want to know. Prahlad ji did not know the mechanism of how he was protected. He did not know how he was protected, but he was protected. Think. His father tried maximum to kill him. But what is siddhis are? What is powerful siddhis? He was put in water, in fire. He was elephants trampled up by elephants, and poison was given, and Sarpon said Haswaya. न जाने क्या क्या किया उनके साथ, but he was Narayan, 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 Narayan. So Siddho Bhavati means he is not like any yogi who demonstrates siddhis. He, such a simple, innocent he is, everything happens around him, he doesn't even know, he doesn't want to know also. That is called siddhi of a devotee. कैसे भगवान बचाएगा, ये मेरी चिंता क्या, भगवान की चिंता होनी चाहिए, उनकी चिंता होनी चाहिए कि मेरी रक्षा कैसे करना है, किसकी चिंता होना है, उनको होना चाहिए. Why should I worry? Even when a ship is sinking, when some rescue operation started, and when a small boy of 4 or 5-year-old was sitting comfortably in the mother's lap, सब लोग डर गए. This fellow is smiling and laughing. He was asked, "Are you not scared?" He said, "मैं क्यों डरूं, मेरी माँ, मैं तो I am in the lap of my mother. What should I fear? मैं क्यों डरूं, मैं तो मेरी माँ के गोद में बैठा हूं." That is innocence. Therefore, here, very beautiful thing. And Siddhi, you see again, one more story of, is that Sant Jnaneshwar and Namdev, a प्रसिद्ध कहानी. Both of them were, he is Sant Jnaneshwar Mahayogi and Jnani. Namdev is निरंतर भगवान विठल 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 विठल. दोनों जा रहे थे कहीं, दोनों को बहुत प्यास लगी, तो एक कुएं मिली, पानी तो है, पानी निकालने के लिए कोई है ही नहीं, वहाँ पे बकेट नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, रस्सी नहीं है. तो ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज देखा नामदेव को, नामदेव क्या हो, ही विथ हिज योग मार्ग, योग शक्ति वेंट इनसाइड द वेल, अपने कमंडल लेके खूब पानी पी लिया, कमंडल भर के पानी भर के इनके लिए वो ऊपर उठा, लो पियो, तुम भक्ति करते रहे तो कुछ का फायदा नहीं है, ये पियो करके दिया है पानी. नामदेव, ये चमत्कार के पानी मुझे नहीं चाहिए. He did not drink water. वैसे फिर कैसे पियोगे, मैं ऐसा क्या प्रयत्न करूं, मेरे विट्ठल भगवान है ना, वही मुझे प्यास बुझाएगा मेरा, वो क्या करेगा. कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा उनको भी। तो आंख बंद करके बोला, भगवान आई एम थर्स्टी, प्लीज़ गिव मी वाटर करके भावुक हो गए, एंड 2 बूंद आंखों से गिर पड़े कुएं में, विथ लव। विथ दैट द वेल स्टार्टेड वेलिंग अप, द वाटर केम अप टू सरफेस। अपने दोनों हाथों से प्यास बुझाया। दिस इज द सिद्धि ऑफ ए भक्त। You think that it is not happening? No, 150 years, 100 and maybe 20 years or so back, when a yogi, I have not tell the names, he settled in India, worked hard for our culture, but a born Britisher, but a Mahayogi, Yoga Siddha Purusha. So he was walking in London streets one day. In London streets में there are so many some sales के लिए some glass made, in those days glass made jars are hanging on the shops, so that for sales outside on the footpath. This man was walking, this Mahasiddha Purusha. Suddenly he heard a voice, turn back. He turned back. 3 बार शब्द. Immediately the glass which was hanging on one of the shop, glass big jar, fell down and broke into pieces. Heavy one. And this master writes, my guru was 7,000 miles away from where he instructed me to turn back. "7,000 miles away. He instructed me to turn back and I turned." So who is protecting whom? The Guru. Guru is conscious of disciple, where he is slipping, where he is falling, and Guru protects. Therefore, here very beautifully says that Siddhi, he is not after Siddhi. Very important. इसलिए कहते हैं भक्त अमर नहीं होता, स्वयं अमृत बन जाता है। इसीलिए तो and that is called Siddhi. Siddhi means Aishwarya, Siddhi means everything. This is a Siddhi. So what is that Siddhi? Siddhi of a Bhakta is that Bhagwan ka naam flushes out all vasanas. For every karma there is a phalam, and for every manasam karma also there is a phalam. How can we say that doing Bhagwan ka naam will not have effect? Think. Every thought has its own fruit. Bhagwan ka naam. So, Puman Siddha Bhavati. First one. Siddho Bhavati. Then, next one is what? Amruto Bhavati. ऐसे कह दिया अमृत बन जाता है. That is the beauty of Amruto Bhavati. Immortal. And इतना अमृत बन जाता है कि whoever comes in touch with him, they also become sweet. Tulsidas, Tukaram ji was walking one day singing Vittala, Vittala, Vittala in an orchard full of trees, in a pathway in the orchard, a small pathway to walk, a good garden and all. So the orchards, so he was full of trees there, he was walking, and there are so many birds on the, chirping birds, and listening to his, singing, all the birds flew away into the space. Tukaram just stood there. He said, I am taking Bhagwan's name. All the birds went away from me. It means still there is Dvaita in me. They are not comfortable in my presence. That means I am not yet purified. And he stood there, and in that bhav, you started crying, singing intently for Lord, and tears are rolling down because I am not yet pure. Therefore, these birds have went away. They are scared of me. That means there is some being who is afraid of me. That means I have not yet reached Amrutattvam. And he started crying there. It said all the birds came back and landed on his body, on the shoulders, on the head and the nose and everything, chirping. They danced on him. He went into Samadhi. That means there is an expanded, that consciousness is such a pure, sarvani bhutani abhivanchanti. Everybody loves that person. Everybody wants to be in the proximity of that person. That is called Amrutattvam. Immortal. He doesn't want anything. People run towards that particular Vyakti, get attracted. Gurudev, when stands somewhere, all devotees, they run towards Gurudev, run up to Gurudev. They can't touch him also. He was Tejasvi, disciplinarian. You can't touch and, hi Guru, how are you and all that. Run up to Gurudev and stand. I did it many times. He used to say, that will do. That is enough. वहाँ तक दौड़ते जाते थे. He must see us. That's the feeling. एक बार नजर लग गया बस हो गया. पर नजर पड़ना है. नजर पड़ा तो बस काफी. फिर जाते समय कैंप के बाद और एक नजर लेते हैं. So amruto bhavati. Then trupto bhavati. Trupti, and his trupti is not in sangraha, ikhatte karana, because our trupti is only in accumulation. All advertisements you see, the facial expression is Brahmanubhuti. What is a toilet cleaner? You see the advertisements. Advertisement is such a, you get a heavenly joy, heavenly bliss with Harpic. So our joy is ikhatte karna, sangraham. Sangraha and bhoga. Our trupti is always in sangraha and bhoga. See? But there is no sangraha, no bhoga, because he himself becomes total that amrutam, and therefore he is full of trupti. And no abhiman. Trupti you will get only when you dissolve your consciousness in that amrutattvam. And wherever little individuality is there, separateness is there. Separateness means there is no contentment. False contentment you will get. For contentment that, I got my own house, trupti. I got my car, trupti. That's how we are living. Our trupti is only in these things, no? So here, that trupti is no trace of abhiman. So he has become siddha, like a boiled rice. Why? Itna naram ho gaya. Boiled rice means indication is naram, 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 naram. Ekdam naram, no ahankar, no abhiman. Trupto bhavati. So therefore, in this very beautiful thing, in this Bhagavad Bhakti, Bhagavad Tattva Anubhava, and Vishaya Vairagya. All these three things, Bhakta will get it. What is that? The devotion towards the Lord, Bhagavad Bhakti, Bhagavad Tattva Anubhav, experience of the Tattvam, and Vishaya Vairagyam. All the three he will get. So therefore, कहते हैं भक्त के हृदय में जो प्यास है उस प्यास को ही तृप्ति कहते हैं. भगवान के प्रति जो प्यास है ना, that प्यास is giving him contentment. So therefore, here very important, yan labdhva puman क्या भवति सिद्धो भवति अमृतो भवति तृप्तो भवति. तृप्ति is there, contentment is there. He doesn't want anything. भगवान है. Very beautiful Telugu song of Tyagaraja, where the king had sent in palanquin so much of gold, ornament, jewelry to his house. His brother, his bhabi, they were very poor, but they were insisting him to accept all those things. This man never accepted anything from anybody. He never sold his music or songs to the king for money. There's some also story also is there where Tansen, some forgot complete story, but he said ultimately I sing for you and he sings for Lord, therefore you are more happy in his singing. मैं आपके लिए गाता हूँ इसलिए आपको मज़ा नहीं आता है, वो भगवान के लिए गाया है इसीलिए आपको इतनी तृप्ति मिली है. तो then this palanquin came, he stands on threshold and asks his mind, oh mind, you want this nidhi or Rama's sannidhi? Which will give you more joy? Tell me, nidhi or sannidhi? He asks his mind. Why should you want this nidhi when Bhagwan's sannidhi is available inside? That is giving you trupti, or this nidhi gives you trupti? Nidhi gives more tension. On whose name I should write will? Big tension. If you have only one son or one daughter, problem solved. Suppose two sons are there, two children are there, who on whose name what to write? Useless word. More sampatti, more problems, more tension. चोर भयम. इसके बाद है ही नहीं कुछ भी, दुख आराम से गर्मी के मौसम में दरवाज़ा खोलकर आराम से सोते हैं. चोर का डर ही नहीं है ही नहीं कुछ घर पे. आराम, चोर का डर नहीं है. So that is called trupto bhavati, is trupti there. Okay? So therefore, this is the wonderful sutra of Bhagavan. Now next one. Yat prapya na kinchid vanchati na shochati na dveshti na ramate notsahi bhavati. यत् प्राप्य न किंचित् वांछति न शोचति न द्वेष्टि न रमते नोत्साही भवति. ब्यूटिफुल सूत्रास. यत् प्राप्य भक्तिं प्राप्य. व्हाट टाइप ऑफ भक्ति? परम प्रेम रूपा अमृत स्वरूपा च भक्तिं प्राप्य. हैविंग गेन्ड दैट भक्ति. And again, how do you get bhakti again? One bhakti, one point we saw is through saints and sages. Other bhakti, it is said 3 sources of bhakti is there. भक्ति की जागृति कैसे हो सकती है हृदय में? सबसे पहला बताया गया कि परंपराया, यदि आपके परिवार में खूब भजन सत्संग कीर्तन चल रहा हो, निरंतर संगीत, संगीत नहीं, भजन, कीर्तन, असाधुओं को बुलाना, उनके साथ सत्संग करना, और भक्ति संबंध में जितने भी कहानियाँ हैं, कहानियों पर चर्चा घर पे. If you do all this house, such a house is filled with divine stories, divine talks, talk about Mahatmas, talk about bhakti, talk about bhakti stories, talk about Prahlad ji, Dhruva, Nachiketa, continuously. Recently somewhere I asked in one school, do you know Nachiketa? Nobody knows. Very sad. तो नचिकेत की कहानी मैंने सुना है. So we parents also don't teach anything. There is no parampara at all. Because morning 8 o'clock getting up, take first cook food, then take bath at 12 o'clock. That is our parampara. मैं बोलता हूँ ना, कभी कभी मौका मिलता है डांट का खिलाने का, ऐसा अवसर पर. What kind of parampara is there? Therefore, one in the family parampara, one may get bhakti. Like Gurudev got that bhakti, the devotion, that kind of a thought only in his family first. He was used to meditate on Shiva. He used to question a lot. But the parampara is there. Culture is there. Unless you take bath, unless you sit in morning prayer, you will not get food also. So Gurudev, sisters used to complain, it seems. कभी कभी बाथरूम में जाके टवल लपेट के आ जाते थे गुरुदेव. हाँ, नहाना हो गया करके छोटे में, चलो भूख लग रही है, पहले खाना खिलाओ. He used to towel himself around and then हो गया बस. देखो थोड़ा गीला भी है इधर, 2-3 छिलका बूंद डाल के आते थे. That is okay, naughty. But then that culture is there, no atmosphere is created. So first parampara bhakti. If in family you get it, you are blessed. If family is missed, 1A, 1B. 1A is parampara, 1B is मार खाने के बाद. खूब मार खाया जीवन में. There is no other way. Last resort is Bhagavan. Ayappo, Ayappa. No other way. कोई कहता है मंदिर में गया कभी जीवन में? नहीं गया. Why don't you try there? थोड़ा शांति तो मिलेगी. तो second source is some saint or guru lights the devotion in your heart by his touch, by his upadesh, by his adesh, by his sampark. Great. Somebody does that, he lights the devotion in that heart. And because of the devotion, small lit up, and it occupies the whole heart of the devotee. And third is, through bhakti means, lot of sadhana you do, lot of tapasya you do, lot of bhajan karo. There is no taste. I said, what is that example I gave you yesterday? Pitta rogi. He doesn't like sweets. He can't enjoy. But the medicine is sweet only. So, Mahatma log कहते हैं, if you are not enjoying the name of Bhagavan, you are a rogi. Then how do I enjoy Bhagavan's name? Keep singing. You will get the taste of it sometime. So therefore, yat prapya. From these three sources, you should get devotion. Yat prapya, na kinchid vanchati, na shochati, na dveshti, na ramate, na utsahi bhavati. Now, this shloka is nothing but similar to Bhagavad Gita 12th chapter sloka. Yo na hrishyati na dveshti na shochati na kankshati shubha shubha parityagi bhaktiman yassa me priyah. See how many words are there? Na dveshti is the. Yo na hrishyati. Hrishyati means na ramate here. Here it is used na ramate. Na hrishyati in Bhagavad Gita sloka. Yo na hrishyati. Here na ramate. देखिए continuous similarity. Na dveshti. Here na dveshti is there or not? Narada Sutra. There na shochati. Here also na shochati. Na kankshati. Either there in here now here also yat prapi na kinchit vanchati. Literally shloka is lifted. So one by one we should see first. Yat prapya na hrishyati. Na hrishyati means, what did I say? Na ramate. Na ramate. It is said, why you should not ramate, na hrishyati? It is said, yo na hrishyati, that is, drushto drupyati, drupto dharmamati kramati. It is there somewhere. It is said, hristo drupyati, drupto dharmamati kramati. Very beautiful point, just listen now. A bhakta who revels in the joy of his service to the Lord is unfit to serve the Lord. ध्यान से सुनिए, मैं गलत नहीं बोला. A bhakta who revels in the joy of service is unfit to do that service. चलिए उदाहरण दे देंगे. महात्माओं का उदाहरण है. कहा जाता है कि उदाहरण महात्मा जी ने दिया है कि अयोध्या में साधु सम्मेलन हो रहा था कि मंच पर बड़े बड़े महात्मा लोग बैठे हैं. उसमें एक को कोई और एक छोटा साधु समझो, ब्रह्मचारी हो, जो साधु हो, दूसरे साधु को उससे कहा गया इन सब की परिचर्या में लगे रहो. कौन सी परिचर्या? पंखा है तो चलाते रहो, घुमाते रहो. हाथ के जो पंखा है सबको हवा दो, चलाते रहो. वो चलाते 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 विचार आया कि मैं इतना भाग्यवान हूँ, इन सभी संतों की सेवा आज मुझे मिला है. हा परमात्मा कितना दयालु है करके भावुक हो गए. फिर रोमांच हुए, आंख से पानी झर रहे हैं और होश उड़ गया, वहीं गिर पड़ा आनंद में. फिर वहीं साधु महात्मा लोग उठे, पानी चिलका के उसको जगाया, बोले कि बेटा अब बैठ जाओ. भक्त बनना इतना आसान नहीं है. यू शुड नॉट रेवल इन द जॉय ऑफ सर्विस टू द लॉर्ड. इतना तक कि अपने आप को भूल गए और सेवा उड़ गया. दूसरा उदाहरण है युवा है कि द्वारका में भगवान कृष्ण के रथसारथी कौन है? दारुका. अच्छा, वो एक दिन पंखा चला रहे थे, सेवा कर रहे उनको अचानक ये भाव आ गया कि देखिए सृष्टि चलाने वाला, स्थिति लय कारक ईश्वर ही इस रूप में बैठे हैं. मैं कौन सा पुण्य किया हूँ, आज मेरे को ये सेवा भी उपलब्ध हो गया, कैसे भावुक होने लग गए, फिर रोने लग गए, अचानक ये सावधान हो गया, सावधान हो गए कि भैया अब मैं इस भाव में चले जाऊं तो सेवा में भंग पड़ जाएगा, सेवा हो नहीं पाएगा ना। सेवा करने के लिए भगवान मुझे यहाँ पे खड़ा कर दिया। अपने आप में रहो, घूमो और भावुक होकर गिरना नहीं नीचे पे, होश उड़ाना नहीं। इमीडिएटली बिकेम अलर्ट एंड कंटिन्यूड हिज सर्विस। न रमते किसी वस्तु में, किसी भी सेवा में किसी प्रकार न रमते। और देखो, भक्त से को कहा गया भगवत सेवा में सावधान रहो। सपोज पायलट हैज गॉट दिस थॉट, मेरा जीवन का सपना था, आज मुझे ये मौका मिला, ठीक है, कितना भाग्यवान हूँ, ओ हो आ हा करके भावुक हो गए और भूल गए कि चलाना, फिर क्या होगा सबका। इसीलिए कोई संत महात्मा लोग आपके घर आते हैं खाने के लिए, उस दिन खाना बिगड़ जाता है, बिगाड़ देते हैं। क्यों? आज मेरे भाग्य है, कोई खाने महात्मा जी आए हैं और कहीं किसी घरों में वो जाते नहीं, मैं तो पुण्यवती हूँ, ये हूँ वो हूँ करके, नमक ज़्यादा किसमें, इसमें फिर साधु महात्मा बिना कंप्लेन बेचारा खाना खा के चले जाते हैं। तो किसी विषय वस्तु, देख ऐसी सेवा में भी न रमते भक्त लोग, फिर विषय वस्तु के बात में क्या कहें। तो एक पहला है यद प्राप्य, फर्स्ट न रमते। रमते माने यहाँ पे भगवद गीता के श्लोक के अनुसार न हृष्यति। फिर क्या है? न किंचित वांछति। वांछा माने इच्छा, डिजायर, कांक्षा, आकांक्षा। दिस भक्त डजंट आस्क एनीथिंग। ये भी नहीं पूछेगा कि मुझे स्वस्थ रखो, मुझे जीने दीजिए। ये भी नहीं पूछेगा कि मुझे मरना है, जल्दी निकालो यहाँ से, इस लोक से जल्दी हटा दो मुझे। ऐसे भी नहीं पूछेगा। ये भी नहीं मांगेगा, वो भी नहीं मांगेगा, कुछ भी मांगता नहीं है। जाहि विधि राखे राम, ताहि विधि रही है। वंडरफुल। कुछ कोई वांछा नहीं है। मैं क्या कहूं, गलतियां भी कभी कभी हो जाती है, माने जीवन में, उनके जीवन में, परिवार में ऐसा कुछ दुर्घटना घटी, वे मांगते नहीं परमात्मा से, बोलते मैं क्यों मांगू, ये भगवान के क्या ज्ञान के बिना हुआ क्या ये घटना घटी? नहीं, इनके ज्ञान के अनुसार ही घटना घटी है, इन्हीं का संकल्प इसलिए ऐसा घटना घटी, तो मैं क्यों मांगू, क्या मांगू, इनकी इच्छा है, ऐसा होना है तो हो गया। एक बार मांग लो, नहीं, एक बार आप पूछने से भगवान देंगे, नहीं मांगूंगा। हाउ मेनी टाइम्स रामकृष्ण परमहंस एक बार बोला विवेकानंद, ठीक है मांगना है तो माँ से मांगो, विवेकानंद जी से कहा। He went to माँ, he could not ask. Ramakrishna Paramahansa knows that he will not ask, he cannot ask. पूछा नहीं, what, he was in utter poverty. There no nothing food to eat for mother and brothers in the house. Utter poverty. Go and ask mother, she will give you. He went there, दक्षिणेश्वरम, इस रूम से उस महामंदिर में गया है, नमस्कार किया, he offered his salutations to mother, sat before, looked at her, could not ask, open his mouth, how can I ask? And another Mahatma says, asking Lord is insulting the Lord. How can you ask anything as if he doesn't know? कैन आई आस्क? ही इज ऑल परवेडिंग रियलिटी, सब कुछ जानते हैं, एवरीथिंग ही नोस, हाउ कैन आई आस्क हिम? थिंक अबाउट इट. Doesn't he know what's happening to me? न किंचित वांछति. Beautiful thing. न शोचति. Shoka takes us to the past. न शोचति means मन क्या करेगा? शोक करने वाला मन को, माने मन is taken to the past. भूतकाल के प्रति जब आपका मन आपको ले जाता है, उसको कहते हैं शोक. You revel in the past. Revel means you remember past. And bhakta na shochati. Na shochati. There is no shoka. Na kankshati, we have already seen. Na shochati, na dveshti. Na dveshti. Beautiful thing. Here example, महात्मा एक भक्त का अनुभव यही है कि इनको मच्छर काट रहा था एक दिन रात को, सो नहीं पा रहा था, बड़े भक्त थे, मच्छर काट रहे हैं. मच्छरों को प्रति द्वेष हम करते हैं ना, का पता नहीं कहाँ कहाँ क्या जाते हैं मच्छर, पूरे रात जाते भी नहीं, खाते रहते हैं. उसका खून पीना, मेरे पास क्यों आते हो? तो ये भक्त ने उठ गए, इट सीम्स दोपहर रात को, सो नहीं पा रहा, उठ गए, है भगवान ही इस मच्छर रूप में आके मुझे जगा रहे, भगवान का नाम लेने के लिए, भजन करो, क्यों सो रहे हो? इनकी दृष्टि देखिए, भक्त की दृष्टि, बोले भगवान इस रूप में आकर मुझे जगा दिया नींद से, क्यों? भजन करो, कीर्तन करो, क्या सो रहे हो? वो तो प्रणवनाद है, प्रणवनाद, झंकार, वो तो प्रणवनाद है, प्रणवनाद ओंकार का ध्वनि है मच्छरों का. But the nada is Brahma. Don't think that Bhakta is a pagal. He doesn't hate anything, anybody. भाई किसी को भक्त के चरित्र पढ़ो, संत एकनाथ जी के कहानी आप जानते हैं ना. Somebody spat on him, स्नान के बाद रुलाने के लिए, फिर दोबारा नहाया, फिर स्पैट, थूका, फिर नदी में गया, फिर नहाया, तीसरा बार आया, फिर थूका. 108 बार ऐसे थूकने के बाद सलेवा पूरा खत्म हो गया इसका. वो तो महात्मा जी बार बार नहा के आ रहे थे, भगवान के मंदिर में जाना है, पूजा करनी है, तो थूका, फिर अगेन मंदिर में, फिर डुबकी लगाया नदी में, फिर आया, फिर वहाँ पे 108 टाइम्स के बाद वो रो पड़कर पैर पड़ा कि प्रभु मैं क्षमा चाहता हूँ. बोले नहीं नहीं, मेरी धन्यवाद नहीं कहता हूँ, आपके वजह से आज 108 बार मुझे इस पवित्र नदी में डुबकी लेने का अवसर आपने दिया है. भगवान आप इस रूप में आए हैं, मुझे मौका दिया है, मैं आपको नमस्कार करता हूँ, बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ. न द्वेष्टि. उनके एक्चुअली इनकी दृष्टि में इट्स ऑल वन कॉन्शियसनेस प्लेइंग गुड एंड बैड एंड घोर एंड गंभीर एंड सॉफ्ट एंड all these roles, expressions are of one consciousness alone. If you go into that mood of contemplation, you see the whole universe, vast universe in front of you. It's all his expression. किससे क्या देश करना है? If Bhagavan is expressing as a wicked person in somebody, Bhakta the devotion, a devotee's vision or devotee's understanding is that if Narayana is expressing in this equipment as a wicked person, who am I to control that? Who am I to complain about that? See Bhikshu Gita in Bhagavat. Nadveshti. Somebody urinated his food. Meaning, one who is in that consciousness, there is no hatred. It is not that intellectually we are trying to understand. No, once we experience that, automatically there cannot be any hatred. Nadveshti. See? Nayat prapya na kinchid vanchati na shochati na dveshti and na ramate. Of course, we saw one more point in ramate is, he says, devotee says, when all pervading, eternal, the blissful Lord is in my heart 24/7, why should I leave that blissful state, that person, that divinity, that entity in me, and come out of my house to fetch some other joy? Devotee is thinking. Beautiful thing. एंड वो उदाहरण देते हैं कि such a Lord is always there inside. Suppose you went to somebody's house, and somebody's house you went to stay or whatever it is, and he loves you very much. But when you went there, he is engaged in watching TV or playing cards. So you feel neglected you are. Similarly, Narayana feels neglected by us all the time. He is feeling neglected. मैं बैठा हूँ मेरे और देखता भी नहीं, मैं बैठा हूँ मुझसे पूछता भी नहीं, मैं बैठा हूँ कुछ मांगता भी नहीं, मैं बैठा हूँ मेरे और देखता भी नहीं, मैं बैठता हूँ इज नॉट कुछ खातर नहीं करता. So he feels neglected. It Bhakta knows this, that how can I neglect him who is always with me? Think. So therefore, na ramate. Here, na ramate, na utsahi bhavati. लौकिक कार्यों में, लौकिक व्यवहार में he is not showing any interest. न उत्साही भवति. किसमें? In worldly matters, worldly talk, worldly matters. He has no interest in talking about share market. He is not interested. Anya vacha vimunchata, Upanishad says, give up all other talk. He is not inspired, inspiring talks, inspired by events and incidents in society, in the world, inspired by politics, inspired by this, inspired that talk. He is not inspired because his consciousness is always reveling in the universal consciousness. He is enjoying that bliss. Think. Because we don't know anything, therefore we think that, talking about these things and outer world only we show interest. But here, the devotee is not showing any interest because he is enjoying the proximity of the Lord within him. You observe those whose lives are involved with a lot of external talk. Wherever they go, they are so wise, they participate in every useless discussion. सब्जी के बारे में भी अपना राय है, पहाड़ पर्वत के बारे में भी अपना राय है. Whatever topic you will raise, these fellows will involve in that talk. They can't keep quiet, even though you don't know anything about it. I don't know about this topic, why the hell I can't keep quiet? No, I will not. Because ati utsahi bhavati in external things. So much interested to talk. पता है क्या हुआ, किसको, कब, कहाँ, कैसे? अब बताओ. कल बताऊंगी. नहीं आज ही बताओ, नींद नहीं आएगी मुझे आज. उत्साह. This Patanjali Maharshi calls it as paravairagya and aparavairagya. So now utsahi bhavati. So therefore, that is the nature of this bhakti. So this is bhakti, bhakta's lakshana is this. Yad jnatva matto bhavati, stabdho bhavati, atmaramo bhavati. Yad jnatva matto bhavati, stabdho bhavati, atmaramo bhavati. The first 6 sutras is one section. In this first 6 which is one section, it is mentioned what is devotion and what are the lakshanas of a bhakta. How that devotion expresses in bhakta is mentioned. So tomorrow, of course, we will see this sutra, 6th sutra. Iske baad mein what is not devotion is told. Okay, tomorrow we'll come at 11:30, we'll have class. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai.